Install a faucet, a step-by-step guide. Hello, and welcome to our Practical English Learning series. Today, we're going to tackle a very useful phrase and activity, installing a faucet. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just looking to expand your English vocabulary, this video will guide you through each step, ensuring you understand every part of this common household task. Before we dive into the process, let's break down the phrase itself. Install means to put in place or set up for use. A faucet is a device that controls the flow of water from a pipe. Together, install a faucet means to set up a faucet in position for it to be used. This is a common task when a faucet is old, damaged, or when renovating a kitchen or bathroom. Before starting the installation, it's important to have all the necessary tools and materials. You'll need a new faucet, adjustable wrenches, plumber's tape, a basin wrench, a bucket to catch any residual water, clean cloth. Remember, having everything ready beforehand makes the process smoother and faster. Now, let's walk through the steps to install a faucet. Follow these steps carefully. 1. Turn off the water supply. Locate the valves under the sink and turn them clockwise to shut off the water supply. 2. Remove the old faucet. Use the basin wrench to loosen and remove the nuts holding the old faucet. Then, lift the faucet out from the sink. 3. Clean the area. Wipe down the sink surface with a clean cloth to ensure a clean area for the new faucet. 4. Install the new faucet. Place the new faucet into the mounting holes. Then, from under the sink, secure the faucet with the provided nuts. 5. Wrap plumber's tape. Wrap plumber's tape around the faucet's threads to prevent leaks. 6. Connect water supply lines. Reattach the water supply lines to the new faucet. Make sure the connections are tight to avoid leaks. 7. Test the faucet. Turn the water supply valves back on and test the new faucet for any leaks. Congratulations! You've successfully learned what it means and what it takes to install a faucet. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Remember, learning practical phrases and tasks not only enhances your English vocabulary but also equips you with useful life skills. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to assisting you in your learning journey in the next video.